morning, students. I'm your English teacher. So first of all, let me tell you, this is Indian Jugaad, because some student was complaining sir voice is not audible clearly. That's why. Now students, I know that you have visited many places like mountains, hills, museums, or in any picnic area. So, but today, do you know which place we are going to visit? We are going to visit a desert area. And few students think the desert is lot of sands. All the people believe, students, there is a popular belief about desert. There are lot of sands, no rainfalls, zero rain, no vegetation, no plants, no trees, dry, hot, waterless. This is popular belief. But don't afraid, students, it's not true. Sorry, it can be a home. Desert can be a home of variety of people. It is the home of variety of people, animal, plants also. So in the today's lesson we will visit there. Okay, we'll meet the different kind of people, animals also, and do you know the ship of desert? We will also ride on that. So students, desert, what are desert? A desert is we can say where less than 10%, less than 10 inches rain is there. That area is called desert. Means very less plantation is there. Yeah, it is right that less plantation, less trees, less people are, few people are living there. But it can be very hot. Everyone think that like Thar is the name of desert. Huh? And it can be very cold also, like the Ladakh. Desert can be very hot and very cold also. And students, it is not flat. It is not compulsory that the desert will be flat. Okay, so now students, there can be, you can find mountains or hills also on the desert. ठीक है, रेत के होते हैं, रेत से बने होते हैं. And you will also find students sand dunes or mounds. Do you know mounds क्या होता है? A big heap of sand. बहुत बड़े बड़े टिबा जिसको आप बोलते हैं. And one more beautiful fact about desert is oasis. A desert has an oasis also. An oasis, do you know what is an oasis? What do you mean by oasis? Oasis is a beautiful place in the middle of a desert. A beautiful place full of water. Okay? And you will find there trees, flowers, animals, and people also. So students, now you are feeling happy that we are on the right place. Okay, so now move to the next part. Now next part. So students, as we know that all living things need water, less or much. I also need. Can you survive without water? I can't, so let me take water first. Yeah. And do you know, you can take 1 glass of water, 2 glass, 3 glass. But the ship of desert, it can drink thousands of glass water, thousands of glass. Near about 50 liters water it can drink. So that's why it is called the ship of desert, and it can survive for 7 days near about without water. Students, it can survive there. Why it need less water? Why the camel need less water? Do you know, students? As we know that because of hot, our body temperature, when our body temperature goes rise, पसीना आता, गर्म हो जाते हैं बिल्कुल एकदम से पसीना. एंड what जो sweat है, the sweat, what it does, the sweat comes outside and it lower down the temperature of the body. ठंडा करता है हमारी body को. But here camel can survive in hot body temperature also. So that's why the camel sweat very less एंड इट कैन सर्वाइव फॉर मोर देन, अभी वो वाटर बाहर नहीं आएगा स्वेटिंग के तौर पे, तो वो अंदर ही रहेगा. सो इट कैन सर्वाइव मोर. इफ यू स्वेट लेस स्टूडेंट, यू कैन ऑल्सो सर्वाइव. yes, you can see in the winter you sweat very less, है ना. so you can survive without water sometime for the whole day, but in summer you can't survive for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. yeah. so now come to the point, students. Desert gets its water from the oasis, but how the smaller desert animal get their water? They can't go far away. So student, let me tell you that they get no water, means they get no water. Smaller desert animal get no water. So what they do at the daytime, beta, when sun is there na, so what they do, the hot days there, they burrow underground, means they went into their holes, they go into the holes and they get water. Okay, let's see from where they get water. They get, some animals get water from the moisture in the meat. They eat meat of other animal na, so the moisture, the droplets of water is there in the meat, they will survive with them. But some animals, those who don't eat meat, they eat seeds and plants, and they get water from seeds and plant juices. Okay, so this is the way of surviving the animals. Let me take water. yeah. Now students, temperature, we'll talk about temperature. In the daytime it's very too hot, and night is very cold. Why do you know, students? Moisture, let me tell you about moisture in the air acts like a blanket. मॉइस्चर जो होती है, ड्रॉपलेट्स होते हैं वाटर के इन एयर, इट वर्क्स एज अ ब्लैंकेट. ओके, कभी कुछ ओढ़ लिया जाए, कंबल वगैरह ओढ़ लेते हैं हम. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने कुछ ऊपर से कुछ ब्लैंकेट ओढ़ लिया, ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपन स्टूडेंट, यू विल फील लेस हॉट, कम आपको गर्मी लगती है. अम्ब्रेला रखती है ना आप अपने ऊपर, वो अपना ब्लैंकेट टाइप से. ओके, सो बट इन desert area, the absence of this blanket, absence of moisture is there, so that's why the days are hot and nights are cold. Got it? So students, this was all about the lesson desert. So we have visited desert area and we found many facts about that. Desert can be hot, desert can be cold, like Ladakh and like Thar. And after that we get to know that many animals, how the animals survive without water. Okay, so we got that some animals get water from moisture or meats or seeds, and some get the plants juices. Animals can survive for a longer time without water because it sweat very less. Next we talked about temperature, because there is no moisture of blanket in desert area because of less rain, that's why the days are hot and nights are cold. So I hope that student you have enjoyed the lesson. So that's all for today. Now return to your home. Bye bye.